Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info, and now I can show you how to jump in Wukong game. So to do that, so basically, if you use standard settings, you just should click Control button. But it's very important that sometimes when you play game and you, for example, have Cyrillic letters in your keyboard set up, so your system language is Cyrillic language. So sometimes it's a very good idea to change your language, just switch using Shift Alt or Control Shift or Win and space to change it to English or to any other Latin letters language. In this way, you will be able to click Control button and jump. But sometimes it's a very good idea to change the button for jump. To do that, you just should open Settings. So click on Escape button to open this menu. Then choose Settings and find here Keyboard and Mouse. Here you can find Customize Control button. Click on it. Scroll down, find here Jump. Oh, it's here. Click on it and press on the button you want to use as jump button. For example, space. And as you can see now, I have it written right. It means that the same button is using in two functions at the same time. In my case, in jump and in dodge. So now I should change the dodge. For example, I want to use dodge move using the control button. That's cool. That's it. Now, pressing the space, I can jump, and if I want to dodge, so I click in control button. Thanks for watching. Like this video, and bye. See you.